I have HD0 setup and DJI. And these are the things that I like to grab. These are the things that I like the most. I like shoving this in my bag with my Radio Master Pocket and one of my quads, and it makes me so happy. And all those other systems, a couple years go by, and then you can only fly that old stuff. The nice thing with analog is it's kind of been the same, and it's slowly gotten better, and there is better stuff, and you can still use like good electronics and everything. So you get a solid analog setup and you figure out how it works. Lots of the time the problems with analogs that people have is something's wrong with their setups. There's all these different parts, right? Like with the digital, you have the digital VTX with the built-in camera, and it's like if those are working, you're good. But with analog, there's a lot more kind of like fine-tuning and figuring out that perfect setup and figuring out like, is it my module? Is it my goggle antennas? Is it the antenna on my drone? I had my VTX. It was mounted pretty like tightly inside this drone. Sometimes you have things set up a little bit too tight.
Get it right, get it right, get it tight.
After landing for about a year, I guess, it smacked and it pulled the electronics out. And right over here, there was a little capacitor. I was able to take the antenna and like manually resolder it in. But the part that was holding it was just a tiny little capacitor. I shouldn't have done that. It was just like I didn't want to let go of this VTX because I knew it was working fine. But it's like it lasted for like a year. These are the VTXs that I sell for 45 American dollars. And I love them. They're just solid. And I run them at half power. They're a 1.6 watt VTX. I run them at 800 and they're great. I should have just swapped it out for a new one, but I didn't. I did the quick fix and it worked for a few flights. And then I was at a wedding and I was flying around the beach. and then all of a sudden the connection started dying and I had to crash land, and thanks to that I killed my GoPro. It was very, very sad. That's the thing with FPV. It's fun to be able to fiddle and fix things, but sometimes you just gotta swap out for something new, because that $45 could have saved me whatever a naked GoPro 10 costs. This channel really doesn't make me anything compared to what I put into it. So if you become a member, or if you join my Patreon, or if you buy some stuff off me, it's greatly appreciated. Yeah, thank you, and enjoy the analog footage.
Всегда командую, я ощущаю слова твои в моей памяти тают. Но я в моем ночи